Hi guys, let's have an unboxing video. If you've been following me for over a year now, I'm sure you know this is how I usually do it. But I had to stop because I didn't have a mic. But now that we have a mic, we are back to business. Today I'll be unboxing a hair I won in a giveaway. Yes, I don't know, but is it just me or does this happen to you guys where it's the giveaway that I don't pay attention to that I usually win though. I don't know if this happens to you guys too. Let's get into business. And this is what we will be unboxing today. This is a hair I won in the giveaway at Hairpods NG on Instagram. Did for her birthday. Let's get right into it, shall we? Are you as excited as I am? Because I am excited. I've been following this brand for a while now, and I must say I love their hair. Here we have it. I want two things from giveaway. This wrap, I can't remember the name, but this beautiful, gorgeous earrings. Like it looks so unique. Look at that gorgeousness. I love it already. And now we have the beautiful hair. Let me just remove that from the neck. It's a coily fringe wig. See? First off, I love the texture. Texture is amazing. This is how it looks inside. Has this hairpin, a band, and to help secure it in place. So I love the texture. I definitely can't wait to have this on so I can show you guys the beauty of this hair. In the meantime, kindly leave a comment saying thank you to at Hairpops NG for me. And I'll definitely be seeing you in my next video.